I think, yeah, the intersection is, well, the very roots are the same, even though they may play out in different ways, or there are different, like stereotypes about the groups that we mention when we talk about gender. There may be differences for, how we stereotype men, women, or when we talk about ethnic groups, for how we stereotype several groups. But the roots is across Europe. We have to think about how does the way we work as European institutions in these local contexts, how do we disadvantage the people that do not belong to the norm? And that's kind of the fundamental question, like the ways of working, but also the results of the way we work. For example, the laws that are a result of the norms that are integrated in the ways of working, but also in public service delivery, like how these laws actually work out in practice. So the root is the same in that way for several kinds of oppression, discrimination, whether it's based on ethnicity or gender. Yeah, I think this is fundamental for several reasons. Like, the interdisciplinary approach is fundamental because of the issues that are present in different levels, right? I mean, it's present in legal systems, for which you need more legal scholars. It's you need to know the social, psychological or social scientific knowledge to know how these laws play out in society. You need to know, for example, how we can incorporate the lived experiences of people into developing new policies. So this is really core, because if you just tackle one problem, you won't tackle all of it. So because the problem will, it's like the seven-headed dragon metaphor, right? You need to cut all heads at once in order to be successful. And on the other hand, because all of these systems of oppression are connected, like gender and race, we need to tackle multiple isms, as a way to speak, at the same time. But also, without this multi-perspective approach, we cannot take into account intersectionality, right? If we would just focus on race, we may be focusing on a specific group of racial minorities. Or when we look at gender, we may look at only white, like gender from a very white perspective. So in order to avoid that, we need to take into account intersectionality. So yeah, these multiple perspectives, they play an important role in different aspects.